Alrighty. Whenever you're ready.
Alright, so this is Adam with Earthquake Engineering Amplification. This is the new model that I just built. I call it the Atlas. It's a AC15 DC30 variant. The controls are just on the top channel. We have the classic AC15 top boost channel, and lower we have the AC15 DC30 normal channel. The switch right here acts as a boost switch for the normal channel. Moving left, we just have the treble, the bass, and then the classic cut control. And then you're on and standby.
Sorry.
It's okay, I'm talking to myself.
Oh my god. You're messing up our video production. Go. Go on.
I don't know, what do you want to play through it?
Well, so, okay, so let's, what would you say is the style or genre that somebody would be picking this kind of an amp for?
I don't know, it's really good for like really piercing lead tones, especially the top boost channel. And then the normal channel is really great for rhythmer stuff. It's a lot mellower than the top boost channel is.
Okay.
I don't have any guitars with humbuckers right now. I just have P90s and single coils.
Let me go
So
ahead
I don't really know how it reacts to humbuckers, but no, it screams with single coil.
I've got this guy right here. This is a 2000 and something or other. It's a Fender Stratocaster HSS. So we have a humbucker in the bridge, and then also we have singles here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use that humbucker to get that.
So just stand by.
This
is the normal channel.
Oh, this is the normal channel. I've noticed, first of all, that it really has a lot of bottom to it. I mean, more than I expected. Being a Strat, usually I don't get that big, heavy, thick crunch. Nice round and brown kind of a sound here. That's really nice. And I'm playing through the bridge humbucker only at this. I've got my tone all the way up, volume just cranked. So I'm playing pretty much straight out hard rock and roll kind of a sound. what I'm hearing is a lot of low tones. Actually pretty rich. Very interesting, as a matter of fact. So that's on the humbucker. Now I'm going to switch to the neck pickup, which is my pickup of choice. Still a very nice, nice round and brown, kind of a throaty sound. Actually, there's a lot of push. Now, how many watts is this?
15.
This is a 15 watt. This would do great in a club setting. Definitely get a a lot of sound shaping for something like recording, or just playing with your friends, playing in a garage, or a nice club. Mic'd up, this would be good. It's really a lot of nice sound. Very cool. Now, you have high, mid, and low on this.
Right. Well, it's treble and the bass, and then what is the cut control, which is like a presence control, basically.
Presence control.
So it just.
So if we were looking for something a little bit lighter.
Crank that.
Guitar a little bit, so we're not getting such a... What is that?
I've been looking at it backwards the whole time.
Oh, okay.
This is cut off.
I'm playing it through the middle pickup at this time. I'm going to bring it up to the neck pickup. Definitely a little bit lighter and more playful. And what's the difference between these two channels?
Just, this one's a lot more kind of biting. It's a little, it's made to let a little bit more highs through, and the cut control is a lot more versatile on this channel.
Okay. Okay, let me start on the neck pickup then.
This is with it off.
Actually got a lot of punch for a smaller amp. Do you attribute it to the amplification circuitry and the speaker and the box? I mean, what part is what that gives you the more that pulls the bass out?
I think having the big cabinet really helps with that.
Yeah.
It's just a 12-inch speaker in it, so it'll push what it does.
Wow.
But and also, I think the circuit has a lot to add to it because I put it in 2x12 and it still does the really nice kind of punch from the bottom.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to go to a middle pickup. There's a little natural distortion and add a little more punch. Yeah, that's nice. So let me go to now to the humbucker on the bridge. Nice. One of the things I notice about playing this guitar, especially in the bridge humbucker position, is that with some amplifications and some effects, I get actually lose a lot of bottom to it. So this brings that bottom back up. This is really gives it a nice meaty sound. You can see I've got this basically cranked all the way up. And then usually at this I would have a real high, sizzly, sometimes annoying sound, but here. Well, it's got a lot of nice bite. I don't know what else to say. It's beautiful. What you've done with your circuitry and the craft that you have here, the way you put this box together, and the selection of your speaker, it really just opens a Strat up to many different things. I mean, I can really play some rock here without having to have a rhythm guitar behind me, and have enough sustain, enough dirt, enough of that brown sound to get me through as a three-piece without being too loud. And all this in a 15-watt amp. All right. Very nice, man.
Thanks.
Let's go ahead and turn this off. I know I've been recording all this time.